is the Ooty bus stand.
This is the Ooty station from outside. So there's a restaurant, refreshment room. There is a museum here, waiting room and washrooms are also available. Good morning everyone, welcome back to Travel News again. A very sunny morning today and we are really excited to ride the toy train. From here we will go to Coonoor and we will have Coonoor sightseeing, and then we will come back here to Ooty and do the sightseeing whatever we can, and we will show you. So this is the plan for today, so be with us. We will take you for an amazing train ride from Udagamandalam or Ooty to Coonoor today. Stay with us, stay with Travel News. This is Udagamandalam station, original name of Ooty. This is the station. There is one I love you Ooty written over here. You can click pictures like these people are doing. This is our train entering the station. The most famous toy train of Ooty. This is the toy train. As you can see, there are different classes. There are two classes here. One is first class and one is second class. We are in the first class. We will show you that. This is the second class. Let's go. I think it's already time. We were a little late. So I'm going to go board and we're going to start our journey. A lot of shops here, as you can see. Everybody is very excited.
We are also excited.
This is a small station. There are washrooms here. This is the train. Are you ready? Yes. Voice. Everyone, are you excited? Yes. 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 Say yes.
Yes.
The Nilgiri Mountain Railway is India's only rack railway and a crown jewel of the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. It uses a unique tooth rail rack between the tracks that engages with a gear pinion on the engine to prevent it from sliding back. Tickets can be booked online or at the station. I would recommend online booking to avoid the rush. That's the Ooty Lake. That's the Ooty boat house. lucky today that the sun is up. It's really good weather because the last 2-3 days it has been raining incessantly here in Ooty. There was a red alert also, and we never thought that we'll be able to do this ride today. So, thanks.
Moving at an average speed of 10 to 15 km per hour, it offers unmatched views of tea plantations, rocky cliffs, and the Western Ghats. The journey takes approximately 1 hour from Ooty to Coonoor. This isn't a mode of transport, it's an experience, a memory to cherish forever.
We are entering our second station, Bisketti. Signal given, not even a minute of halt here. It's 9:45 and we are leaving the station. We are entering Coonoor station. Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Our journey has come to an end. Now it's going the opposite way. There was a crossing. This is another first class. So there is one first class in front and one at the back. This is F2 and at the back it's F1. This is the Coonoor station, and there you can see that is the parking. You will get taxis, autos from here. Steam locomotive shed, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Coonoor. You can see the steam locomotive here. Stall, you can get food if you're coming early in the morning. There are sitting spaces here. This is the exit. You can get food here also. Small bakery.
Thank you for joining us on this enchanting toy train adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!